Data types. First BSIT, variable initialization, giving a variable an initial value. Variables not necessarily initiated when declared can initialize in declaration. Syntax: type name equals to value semicolon. Example: int x equals 0. Initialization values literal constant. An expressions function call. The value, however specified, must be of the correct type. Multiple declaration initialization can provide one value for variables initialized in one statement. Integer x, y, z equals 0. Each variable declared and then initialized with the value. Type: set of possible values. Defined size: how values stored interpreted. Operations that can be performed on these possible values. Data types are associated with objects in C: variables, functions, and etc. Standard types. Atomic types cannot be broken down. Void, char, int, float, double. Derived data types composed of other types. Literal constants. Sequences of characters, tokens that correspond to values from that type. $35 is the integer. 3.14156 is the floating point number. 3.14159. A is the character A. Can be used to initialize variables. Void type. Type name void. Possible values none. Operations none. Useful as a placeholder. Integer type. Type name int, short int, long int. Possible values whole numbers 5, -35, 401. Operations addition, subtraction, multiplication, and others. Integer types values. Type short integer 2 bytes, bits 16. Minimum value -32,768. Maximum value 32,767. Similarly, integer, long integer. Y limited with a fixed number of bits, only a certain number of possible patterns. 16-bit 65,536 possible patterns. Overflow attempt to store a value too large in a variable. 2's complements. Integers, positive numbers 0, number in binary 97, in binary 1 into 64 plus 1 into 32 plus 1 into 1, 1 1 0 0 0 0 1. 0 all zeros. Negative number 1. Unsigned integers. Type unsigned integer, no negative values. Unsigned integer, possible values. Representation binary numbers. Unsigned integer, possible values 0 to 65,536. Representation binary numbers.